Someone recently dropped a comment on one of my videos asking me to make a video specifically on 3U badminton rackets. And when I saw that, I thought, you know what, this deserves more than just a single video. So today, I'm starting a brand new series on this channel, Understanding Badminton Rackets 101. Every chapter breaks down one core spec on your badminton racket that most people ignore. And by the end of the series, you'll understand your racket better than most players will ever do. And this is chapter 1 where we start. Weight categories. You might have seen 3U, 4U or 5U written somewhere on the racket. What 3U, 4U, 5U and even the super light 6U, 7U rackets actually mean? Because if you don't understand the U number properly, you're basically buying rackets blind. So why fear when I am here? And let me explain it to you in detail properly. Again, a quick appeal before we start. Please subscribe to the channel with the bell icon on. This is chapter 1 of full 5 chapter series. So subscribing makes sure you watch every chapter as it drops. Let's hit that 50,000 subscribers goal. That gap is getting close, but it's still far. So quickly subscribe to God of Sports. And our first Q&A is coming up soon. Drop your questions in the comments and I'll answer those in our first Q&A video. Alright, enough chit chat, back to the video. Now first, let's understand what U actually means. Basically, the U on your badminton racket is a weight classification system that comes from Yonex. And now it's almost used by every major brand in the world. It simply means how heavy or light your badminton racket is. And honestly, here's something most creators won't tell you. Nobody actually knows for sure what that U officially stands for. But we have got a very big research team of 1 people. And I have tried my level best to find out the actual reason. See, Yonex has never publicly confirmed it and there's no official records, but according to some sources, U means 5 grams under 100 because each U category is a 5 gram range and the whole system was built around 100 grams being the historical standard racket weight category. But whatever it originally meant, here's what actually matters. The U on your racket refers to the weight range of the unstrung frame. I repeat, the racket here is unstrung. It starts with 2U and goes down as low as 9U. The higher the U number, the lighter the racket. So a 2U racket is heavier than 3U, a 3U racket is heavier than 4U, and 4U is heavier than 5U and so on. So higher the number, lighter the racket. Get this one thing right and everything else in this video will make sense to you. So starting with 2U, the weight range is 90 to 94 grams. Then we've got 3U. The weight range is 85 to 89 grams. In 4U, the weight range is 80 to 84 grams. And in 5U, the weight range is 75 to 79 grams. And then we have got super light rackets, 6U which comes as 70 to 74 grams, 7U 65 to 69 grams and even 8U and 9U rackets that can go as low as 55 to 60 grams. Starting with the 2U rackets, they come with a weight range of 90 to 94 grams, the heaviest weight category most players will encounter. But honestly, this category has become very rare today. On court, 2U rackets are pure power weapons because the racket is heavier and when you swing hard from the backcourt, you'll get more raw force behind the shuttle. But there's a real cost. The racket gets slower through the air. Defense is harder because you can't react as quickly. And after a long match, your arm is definitely gonna feel it. The reality today is that badminton as a game has evolved massively over the last decade. It's become faster, more athletic and more focused on quick exchanges and doubles style speed. So most professional players have moved away from 2U. The heaviest you'll actually see players using would be 3U. 2U is mostly used for wrist and forearm strength training. Next up is a 3U racket, which comes in a weight range of 85 to 89 grams. And this is the category that inspired this whole video and this entire series as mentioned earlier in the video. On court, 3U is where power meets manageability. You still get proper attacking weight, smashes feel heavy and satisfying, drives are strong, the racket is real presence on the court. but it's much less tiring than 2U. So most advanced players can actually play a full match without their arm giving up, and as I just mentioned, this is how genuinely the heaviest category most competitive players still use. So who's this weight category recommended for? It's for intermediate and advanced attackers, singles players who play a power based game, doubles, rare code players, and anyone with good technique who wants that heavy attacking feel. One thing about 3U is that it might take some time getting used to. If you're moving up from a 4U or a 5U racket, the first few games will feel heavier and slower. Give it 3, 4, 5 sessions before deciding if it works for you. Most players who commit to 3U end up loving that extra power. Players like Chao Tenshin use a 3U racket. He's currently using the Yonex Dura Z Strike. I also had it with me for a long time, but now as you can see, this is how it looks now, sadly. Also, if chapter 1 is genuinely helping you understand rackets better, please subscribe. This series is 5 chapters and you don't want to miss any of them. Alright, next the 4U category, the most popular of all. 4U rackets weigh in the range of 80 to 84 grams, and this is genuinely the most popular category worldwide. If you don't know your weight category, you are most likely already playing a 4U racket because it's what most rackets ship as by default. On court, 4U is the sweet spot for most players. Fast enough for quick net exchanges and defense, but heavy enough to still generate good power for smashes. Long matches don't destroy your arm. Beginners can pick up a 4U racket and learn to play with it. Advanced players can compete at high level with 4U. It works across singles and doubles, attacking and defensive players. It's genuinely the do everything category. So who's this for? Almost everyone. Beginners starting out, intermediate players still finding their playing style, doubles players who need speed and power balance, singles players who don't want that tiredness of 3U, and female players across all the levels. This is the safe, high-performance choice for the vast majority of players. If you're not sure which weight category you should buy, always go for 4U. You will never go wrong, trust me. Next is the 5U rackets, 75 to 79 grams. Now, we are getting into the lighter side, and it changes how the racket feels. On court, 5U rackets are properly fast. The racket moves through air very quickly, which means your hand speed on the court is dramatically faster. Fast drives, quick defense, sharp net exchanges, reaction time is easier. But, and this is most important, you sacrifice on power. You cannot generate the same attacking weight from a 5U as you can from a 4U or a 3U, no matter how strong your technique is. It's basic physics. So who's this for? It's for doubles players where speed matters more than raw power. Players who love net play and fast exchanges, and players with mild arm or wrist issues who want a lighter racket that's still fully functional and performance great. Also players who have the fear of developing arm injuries in future, or players who just simply want a light racket. It's highly recommended for players who are past age of 50 and still have that love for badminton. And now the super light world. 6U, 7U, 8U and 9U rackets. These grow from 70 grams down to as low as 55 grams. On court, super light rackets are honestly a different feeling. The racket literally disappears in your hand. Swing speed is ridiculous, defense is effortless, and after a full match, your arm feels fresh. But of course, smashes are much weaker because there's just not enough weight to generate power. So who's this recommended for? It's recommended for senior players who want to keep playing without arm strain, players recovering from wrist or elbow injuries, and players who just want to try something completely different. The two rackets to know if you want to explore super light. First one is the Maxwell Nezar X Lite, which just weighs 61 grams but has an extremely head-heavy balance, so you get a very fast swing with surprising smash power. And the Maxwell Silver 7U, which is ultra light with more standard head-heavy balance. Perfect for players with arm or elbow issues who still want head-heavy attacking feel. I've done separate full reviews on both of these rackets, links in the description. Quick summary of how the U number actually affects your game. 4 things to understand. First one and the most important, power. Heavier rackets generate more smash power. Lighter rackets generate less power. This is basic physics. No amount of technique can make a 4U hit as hard as 3U. Second one is speed. Lighter rackets swing faster. Your defensive reaction, net play, and drive speed all improves as the racket gets lighter. 3 is fatigue. Heavier rackets tire your arm faster. A 3U over a full evening of club play feels different from 4U. If you play long sessions, weight is absolutely gonna matter. And fourth one is arm safety. Lighter rackets are safer for players with wrist, elbow, or shoulder issues. Heavier rackets can aggravate existing injuries or create new ones over time. So, which one should you actually buy? Here's a quick recap. If you're a beginner, go for 4U. Safe, versatile, and there's literally no downside. If you're an intermediate player, 4U for most people, and 3U if you're an aggressive attacker but have a good technique. If you're an advanced attacker, 3U is now the practical heaviest. Anything above that is specialist training territory. If you're a double specialist, 4U for general play and 5U if you focus on speed and mixed doubles. If you're a player who has got arm issues or have crossed age of 50 plus, go for 5U or explore the super light 6U to 9U options. But still, if you're not sure, go for 4U. It's the do everything category for a reason. So, which U category matches your game? Drop a comment with your current weight category, your playing style, and your level. If you're not sure what category your current racket is, check the shaft, the U number is printed there. Every racket sold on God of Sports has the U number listed clearly in the specifications table, so you can shop by weight category directly. And that's chapter 1 done. The next chapter drops soon, and honestly, this is where things get really interesting. Because two rackets with the same U number and same weight can feel completely different on the court. There's another spec that changes how the racket actually plays in your hand, and most players ignore it. That's what we are covering next. Make sure you're subscribed with the bell icon on so you catch chapter 2 the moment it drops. If this chapter 1 was useful, please leave a like. It genuinely helps the channel grow. Till then, keep smashing and keep rocking the badminton court.